Vivo launched its new entry-level phone in India called Vivo Y18e, along with the Vivo Y18 smartphone. Among this two, the Vivo Y18e is the most affordable phone under this series, with quiet identical design. Now let's have a look at the specifications of the Vivo Y18e smartphone. The Vivo Y18e features a 6.56-inch HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate support, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 5-megapixel selfie shooter with f2.2 aperture. The rear panel of the phone houses a dual camera setup at the top left corner that includes a 13-megapixel main camera with f2.2 aperture, along with the 0.08 megapixel auxiliary lens with f3.0 aperture. Under the hood, the Vivo Y18e comes powered by MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, paired with Mali G52 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 GB of RAM that can be extended up to another 4 GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 GB of onboard storage, which is expandable up to 1 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 15 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14 out of the box, based on FunTouch OS 14 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.63 by 75.58 by 8.39 millimeters, and it weighs around 185 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo Y18e has been priced in India at 7,999 Indian rupees, and the smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in gem green and space black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y18e smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.